Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my update, my only update here for my redemption project pan. I started this project pan to kind of redeem myself since the springtime. I really didn't do so well with my project pan, so I picked 5 additional products on top of my seasonal project pan to try to use up, see some progress on, and really enjoy the summer. So I do have my update here, but before I get into it, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you do like it. Let's just get on with the products. So I'm going to start out with my first dud, and I'm going to take this product out of my project pan because it's just not practical for me. What I'm talking about is the Natasha Denona Glow Body. There's nothing wrong with this product, it's just it doesn't fit my lifestyle right now. Unfortunately, I didn't even get to use it once. This is still brand new. I am going to keep it because I have a feeling this is going to be a beautiful product. It's just not practical for me right now. I'm way too busy during the summer to think about adding that to my legs when I'm going out. I'm running around with the 3 kids, and I'm mostly by myself, and it's just very difficult. There's days I forget to put on deodorant, so I'm not going to remember to put that on my legs, on my arms, on my body. So I'm just going to pull it out because I'm not giving it justice. I know I'm not going to use it in another month because this is when this project ends. So that's an official fail, so I'm down to 4 products. Next product that I have is my Makeup Geek Immortal Gel Liner. I am not a gel liner person in the summer. I tend to not wear it, but I've been wearing it a lot more because it kind of suits the colorful looks I have been doing. I am wearing it today, and this is where I'm at, you guys. I really have put a dent in this. Again, gel liners for me are easy to kind of put in my routine because I love gel liners. They're my favorite thing to use. So this one, it barely had a dip in it, and now it's really in there. I don't think I'll hit pan in another month, but I am doing great with it. I am happy with it. This gel liner is amazing. It's unfortunate that she has discontinued this because it stays put, does not run. It completely looks matte, and it is so beautiful on the eyes. Doesn't tug, it glides right on. I'm gonna miss it when I completely pan it, but I'm happy that I got to use it before it dried up. Now for my only lip product here, this is the Bite Beauty Lip Primer, and this was brand new when I first started, and you guys can see in the card that I have gotten use out of this. This is how much I have left on here, and let me tell you guys, I have fallen in love with this product. I didn't think I would, and there was 2 times where I wanted to declutter this, but I told myself, give it a shot. You've never tried a product like that. And I was told by Rebecca here on panning and stuff that she panned one of these, and it made it harder for her to pan lip products because it just made your lips products stay on longer. And I have worn this to every single outing, every barbecue that I've gone to this summer, and it has held up. Oh my gosh, I love this product, especially for me who doesn't have time to retouch, doesn't have time to carry her lip products with her. I just needed to stay on and stay put throughout the day. I have eaten so many meals with this thing under my lip products, and it has worked wonders. So I love this. I am actually considering repurchasing this when I use this up, if it's still available, because I love it that much. I really enjoy this product, and I'm not going to finish it up, but I know I'm going to get use out of it. So I'm so happy that I put this in this project. Now for my Too Faced Sweet Peach Bronzer. It is the bronzer I'm wearing today. My goal is to hit pan on it, and you guys, I am doing so well on this. As you guys can see, look at that. I'm going to bring this up close. Can you see that divot in there? And then you can see the ridges of the actual bronzer now. I am so proud of myself. I could see the dip. There is a small hole in there. My brush kind of made it, but I don't consider that to be pan. I don't think that I'm going to get a huge pan because I only have a month left, but I have been using this continuously, and I genuinely love this product because of the texture. It's warm on my skin, but it doesn't look orangey because I am tan. I've been using this blush as well when I don't want to reach for something else, and I like it. And then this highlighter is not bad either. This is a nice overall palette when I'm in a rush, but I've been really digging into this bronzer, and my goal is almost there. You could see the ridges, you could see the pattern. So I'm almost there with this. I'm hoping, crossing my fingers, I will hit pan by the finale. And last but not least was my Tom Ford Mood Light highlighter. My goal was to kind of get more use out of it. This is one of my most expensive, if not my most expensive highlighter duo that I own, and I figured let me get use out of it. So this is where I am right now. This was brand new, you guys, and look how much I've used of it. I am doing so well. I'm trying to concentrate more closer to the edge, because if I did it in the middle, you wouldn't see too much. So I concentrated more on the end, and I am wearing off the pattern fairly quickly on this. I love this color on me. I'm not wearing it today, but I really like this color. It's more like a rosy gold, but it's a subtle rose gold. I have to buff this into my skin, because if I don't, you will see like glitter flexes in there. So I do have to like tap off and then blend it in, and it looks super beautiful on the skin. So I'm not bored of this. I really like this product. I knew I was gonna like it. I just didn't want to ever use it, but now I'm getting use out of it, and I have been enjoying it. So let's to recap and see my goals. Obviously now I'm down to 4 products, and I'm not going to add one because I only have a month left, and then I'm starting a whole new project, so there's no point. As far as my Makeup Geek gel liner, I just want to keep going at it. If I hit pan, that's amazing, but I don't think I will. I just want to make this dip a little bit more. For my primer, I want to continue to use it and just get a little bit more use out of this. I'm going to continue to use this, so I don't have a problem with that, but I want to get more use out of this during the season that I am, the month that I have left. My bronzer, I want to hit pan on. I'm almost there, you guys, but I know that it looks like I'm almost there, but there may be more product than I expect in here. So that's my goal on that one. And then finally for my highlighter, I want to at least flatten this out right here. I don't think I'm going to hit pan, but that is wishful thinking on this product in general. So that is my redemption project pan. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will list the products down in the description box. I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.